Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed our channel till now, then please subscribe it. And if you have not watched our previous videos, then watch it. In this video, we will see what is dependency injection. It is a design principle in which code creating a new object supplies the other objects that the new object depends on for operation. It framework or container is used to manage and automate the construction and lifetimes of interdependent objects. A dependency is an object that can be used. A service. An injection is the passing of a dependency to a dependent object, a client, that would use it. The service is made part of the client's state. Passing the service to the client, rather than allowing a client to build or find the service, is the fundamental requirement of the pattern. It allows a program designed to follow the dependency inversion principle. It separates the creation of a client's dependencies from the client's behavior, which allows program designs to be loosely coupled. Let's implement. Create simple Java project. Code before dependency injection. Creating a simple code to see what we wrote before dependency injection and what is wrong with this code. Code flow looks good. This class is tightly coupled because dependent on service. How many ways to implement dependency injection? 3 ways to implement dependency injection. Constructor injection. The dependencies are provided through a class constructor. Setter injection. The client exposes a setter method that the injector uses to inject the dependency. Interface injection. The dependency provides an injector method that will inject the dependency into any client passed to it. Clients must implement an interface that exposes a setter method that accepts the dependency. Constructor injection. this class become loosely coupled. Setter injection. See, that's it. Instead of injecting object using constructor, now we are using a setter method. Interface injection. Instead of directly using the method, create interface implement and override method. Let's add simple validation. Let's review whatever we added. Benefits of dependency injection. Easy to follow single responsibility principle. Adds potential flexibility to a codebase for future changes. It makes simple to manage dependencies between objects. It allows removing all knowledge of a concrete implementation from a dependent object that it needs to use. This helps isolate the dependent object from the impact of design changes and defects. It promotes reusability, testability, and maintainability. It decreases coupling between a class and its dependencies, so becomes loosely coupled, and gives a flexibility so dependent object become configurable. Reduction of boilerplate code in the application object, since all work to initialize or set up dependencies is handled by a provider component. I hope you like this video, then please subscribe our channel.